Welcome back to the Medical and Dental channel. I'm Dr. Leah, and today we're doing an Invisalign unboxing. This is the first box we'll look at. It's a high quality drawstring bag, and inside is a box which contains your Invisalign aligner carry case and some information about your Invisalign aligners as well as a brochure. Your aligner carry case is slim, so it fits easily into any bag, purse or pocket. The second box is my aligner box, which contains my Invisalign aligners. If you have a lot of aligners, you'll have more boxes, but in my case, I don't need a lot of correction, so I only have 7 aligners in one single box. This is what your aligners will look like. They are clear aligners that are nearly invisible. You can see just how thin they are and how snugly they would fit onto your teeth. These are chewies, which are aligner seaters that you chew with your aligners in. These help seat your aligners properly. You will need to store your aligners when you are eating or drinking anything other than water, so it's important to always store them in the aligner case provided to prevent accidental disposal, which can happen quite often. Once you move on to your next set of aligners, I would recommend placing your previous set of aligners back into its original bag on the rare chance you need to backtrack your orthodontic movement. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned something new about Invisalign and enjoyed this unboxing. See you next time.